SRC Coders. So today I will show you how can you make your own Apache web server on Ubuntu 18.0 LTS. You can also use various other versions of Ubuntu like 20.0. Well, I'm using 18.0 from now on. So let's start without wasting any time. So I'll just open the Ubuntu terminal using Control Alt T command, maximize it. We want to check whether Apache is installed in our server or not, so we have to type sudo apt get install Apache 2. Well, we don't have Apache installed, so it's asking me to install this package. So just wait a moment till this installs up. I'll also provide you with a Word file of all the commands that I'll be using in these with a proper explanation. So yep, I have set up Apache. Now in order to make a website, it's mandatory to create its directories. So in order to create a directory, I will simply write mkdir and with p and the location where I want to make this file store. I will name it safmart.pk, and it also have a subfolder called web server. So I've made it. Now I will also change the ownership of this folder from root to the regular user. So I'll just enter sudo, my username is Saif, sorry, Chughtai, and the directory is where www and safmart.pk. So oh sorry, I have not entered I as my username, sorry for that. Yep, I have changed this ownership to regular. Now I will make it also writable from read only. So I will enter sudo chmod r755 and the location again, sorry, www and safmart.pk. Okay, I have then made it editable. Now the next step is to make these files of HTML and CSS that the website will open up. So I'll just write sudo and open the nano editor, enter the location where this file must be stored, safmart.pk, and web server is the subfolder, and here it will contain index.html. so here I have opened this file. Now I've written the code index.html. So let's wait for notepad. Okay, so I'll just copy this code. Here I get copied this code, and I'll open the terminal. Oh, I think I haven't copied it yet, so again I'll opening it up. Now let's check if it's, yes, it's copied. So I'll press Control S. Yes, I wrote 99. Now Control X to exit. Now same, I'll make a file styles.css, as CSS is mandatory for every HTML file. So I have also written a CSS code. I'll also open it with Notepad++. Yep, now I've copying it and pasting it. Control S to save this. Yes, we have wrote 48 lines. Now I want to exit. Okay, so just exit this notepad. Okay, and now I will make a configuration file for my virtual host. So I will just type sudo cp space etc, and we have a folder called Apache 2 which contains sites able available, and we have a basic site called DNS sorry yep uh, default default.configure, and I am also making another file called www etc and Apache 2, and I have another subfolder called sites available, and it contains safmart.pk .configure. I am also making this safmart.pk as a configuration file. So I've made this as a configuration file. So now I will check what's in this configuration file. I'll type cat sorry uh, this is, so I'll just you know make it a little bit easier. Cat. Oh, here it shows me all these tasks, so now I'll just edit it using sudo gedit get it, and again the location is etc and Apache 2, and again sites uh, available, and it contains safmart.pk, and don't forget to include configure.conf. Now in this you will have to write in place of localhost, just write safmart or the website that you are trying to make, safmart.pk, and also I am making a server name this is my server admin, and a server name which I am writing as safmart.pk, and also I am writing my server alias 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 as www.safmart.pk, and my root directory is www, and my files are stored in www, and it contains the folder safmart.pk. So, and it also stores a subdirectory web server. So I'll just make yep I'm done with just a little bit of spacing I must do here. Okay, so I made this. Okay, now I am saving it. Yes, I have saved this file. Now I'll make a virtual host. So I have to disable my previous host previous site. For this I will write sudo a2 DISSIT. You'll just have to remember these commands: default default dot configuration file. This site has been disabled till now, so now I have to enable my own site. So I'll write ensite and site, and name of my configuration file safmart.pk.configure. So you can see it's showing me that enabling saf.mart.pk. So now I have to restart my Apache using sudo systemctl restart Apache 2. Yes, my Apache server has been restarted. Now I'll just have to test my virtual host. So I'll write sudo vi no sorry I'm making it get it, and etc. Sorry, yes, I'm doing good. Hosts, yep. You can see I have already written this. This you must this for this portion isn't included, so you'll have to include this portion with your local host name, this, and safmart.pk or other else site name which you want to give. So I'm just saving it. Okay, that has been saved. So now just access this on my Google Chrome. http safmart.pk. Yep, here you go. We have made this site to be ready on this DNS server. Well, that was a basic code that of my website that I'm trying to build. So and the next thing, most of people ask me that where could we get our virtual host. Well, guys, it's just simple. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and press on the gear icon, and this IPv4 address is actually your local host. So yeah, I hope that you can now have a basic knowledge of how can you build your own website with your DNS server on Apache using Ubuntu. So that's for now on. Thank you guys, and don't forget to make all your coding solutions, or in if you are have any type of query related to coding, and if you want your site to be ranked well in Google, so contact SRC Coders. Thank you.